This is Biotronix wrist CPM device. You can see this is for the wrist joint and continuous passive motion device, electrical motorized one with silent motor, electrically operated. I have already plugged in the same, and you can see this is remote control model. You can see this is the remote. You can control the device using this remote, and I have already tied the patient. I have tied that strap and that strap also. This is the universal for all the hands. The bigger the hand, that can be also accommodated in the same. The smaller the hand, that will also be accommodated. The same can be adjusted using the strap. And if you want to use for the right hand, you can use. This is for the currently patient is using on the left hand. So you can see thumb is over here. If the patient will want to use on the right hand, the thumb will come over here. So this is a universal device. Now I will give you the demo of the same by explaining all the features one by one. So you can see this is the remote, and first section is start and stop. Press on the start button. You can see the wrist is getting, the palm is getting wrist is getting palmar flexion and dorsiflexion. So you can see the movement of the wrist. Here you can see the movement, and this is the continuous passive motion. I just click the start button and it will keep on going. And when I will start the pause button, it will stop. So you can see start and stop. So you can see the movement of the wrist, the dorsiflexion and the palmar flexion. And now I'm just stopping the same. I'm just making the same pause. And now I'm pausing the same. Now you can see I can operate the same manually also. The patient can also use the same manually using their hand, or the doctor can use by using their hand manually. Like I have stopped the same. This was the start and stop. Now this is flexion and stretch. If I want to stretch, if I want to flex, this is the flexion. If I want to stretch, I keep on pressing the button like this. It will keep on going. If I release the same, it will stop over there. I can go back to the flexion again. I will go to the flex again. So you can also use the same manually by pressing the button, as you can see. Keep on pressing the button. As soon as I release the same, it will stop over there. So this is the manual one. Now speed, you can see the indicator. First indicator is the speed level 1 to 9, and 1 is now first I am putting the first level and pressing on the start. You can see the speed. It's going very slow. According to the patient condition, doctor will put the slower speed or higher. That depends on the doctor and patient condition. So you can see the same is going very slow. Now I will increase the same to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So maximum 1 to 9 level I can go. You can see it will now change to the higher speed. So you can see the movement over here now from very slow speed to high speed. Also I can increase I can change the intensity angle adjustment between 1 to 9 level using the intensity level. So this is the intensity indicator. Currently it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the, like if I put the intensity as 1, it's the lowest force patient has to apply to get to the other direction. So the patient feels some stiffness and he wants to go to the other direction and not to that direction, more angle in that direction. So the patient will apply some force, or because of stiffness, it will go to the next motion. So 1 is the lowest intensity in the same, and you can see now I got one more feature in the device which I also going to tell you, and I'm just pausing the same. And you can see this is the stand. This is an inclining stand. So say if the patient want to go beyond the last moment, so device is going to appeal this moment. But if patient want to go more than that unit, that stand will come into play. I will put the machine on the stand like this. This is a inclined stand like this. You have to put the machine over here. Now patient will put the hand, and you can see now I can adjust the angle like this. If I want to go to the last angle, I can go like this. There is a pin over here. You just need to release the same and put the same in the hole, and it will go to the. This is the reverse. So you can see the patient has gone to the lower stroke. So you can see the movement. So the minimum angle, now it will go to the. So you can see every movement of the wrist can be attained by dorsiflexion and palmar flexion, 90 to 90 degree using the device. So you have to adjust the same. You have to put the stand, then you can go to the lower level. So if I remove the stand and then put the machine, we will go to the like this to this to this. So this is the demonstration video of the wrist CPM. The same is the imported one with all the features. So you can purchase the same and can contact our sales team, and you can visit our website for purchase. And for any query or clarification if required, you can contact us our WhatsApp number or calling number, or you can comment in the section comment section. You can put your query and we will get back to you. Thank you for watching.